Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a fun DIY project. A no-power phone speaker amplifier. Need to boost your phone's audio? This simple hack is perfect. What you'll need: a toilet paper, roll, scissors or a craft knife, and your smartphone. First, the basic version. Take your toilet paper roll. About halfway down, carefully cut a slit wide enough for your phone. Place your phone inside the slit, speaker facing in. Play music. You'll notice a difference. The roll amplifies the sound. Now, for a better experience, you'll need 2 plastic cups. Tape or glue them to each end of the roll, creating a funnel. Make sure the cup openings face outwards. Place your phone as before and listen. A significant volume increase. Let's talk science. The roll and cups concentrate the sound waves. They direct the sound, preventing dispersion, resulting in louder audio. It's like a megaphone, but with household items. This DIY speaker is great for listening to podcasts or sharing videos. It's free and fun. Quality depends on cup size, shape, materials, and the surface. Experiment. So, a simple, no-power phone speaker. Try it. Let us know how it goes in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.